Hello guys, how are you all? I am back, your tech boy, and today I am going to tell you some basic editing tips of CyberLink PowerDirector. So let's start. Step 1. First, open the editing app. So as you can see, this is my desktop shortcut. I will double click on it. And now let's wait for it to open. After that, you can see there are some functions of this power editing apps, but for now let's just click on new project. As you can see, the loading has started. So as you can see, the video editing program is now opened. So now we can start by first uploading our videos. So I will click on import media files. For now I am going to use my previous video, which is this one. So let's click. So as you can see, the video is ready. So just click on it and hold and drag it on the second track. I will recommend. You can use any of the tracks, but I will recommend the first one. So it will use this, but this is subtitles. I will cover this in the next videos. So first of all, just remove this. So as you can see, this is done. So in today's video I will cover some basic topics such as cutting the video and trimming it. So let's start. Over here you can see this is this red line. It shows click where we are currently looking. So as you can see, at this portion where this line is intersecting, this screen in fact is the element of the video. So let's start from the beginning. So as you can see, I have not said anything till this part, so I will click on split timeline over here, and now as you can see, the timeline is splitted into two halves. So I will click on this and then right click, and then I will click on trim and trim the entire video. So as you can see, that part is completely gone. In fact, there is one more option of doing that. Let me insert it again. So click on this, click on the delete button. These three options will show on your screen: remove and fill gap, remove and leave gap, and remove, fill gap, and move all clips. So I will click on remove and leave and fill gap. So as you can see, the video is removed and the gap over there is now filled. So let's edit more. Today I am going to tell you how to download a very good video editor on your PC named CyberLink PowerDirector. So let's start. So the first step is open your browser. In my case, I am opening Opera browser. In fact, you can use any browser. So I am just going on where I remember my network. In fact, my electricity got cut off over here. So now I am going to cover the topic how to in fact cut some element of the video in between of the video. So as you can see here, my internet connection got cut off. So I will click cut over here. But if you see, if I click on this and cut the entire video, then now the entire video will be deleted. I want only some part of the video to be cut off. So I will go till here where it was no internet on my screen, and then a bit more, and over here I will click on cut timeline again. So as you can see, this part is now alone, so I can just trim and then trim entirely. So that part is over. And if you can notice, my volume is really low. So to increase my volume, I will just go over, click on the selected part of the video, and then wait, and then hold and drag it up. So now you can see I have both my videos with my volume increased.
User account control will open. Click on yes.
Right? So now I want to add a intro. Sorry, in fact I don't need an intro. I need an outro for my video. So I will click on import media files, downloads, and yep, it is selected MP4 also. And now as you can see, this video is there. So I will drag it and copy it here. Why it is not working? It is not working. Just click it here, it will come over here, and then drag it. You can see it is only this much, not the two entire lines, because it doesn't have an sound effect, and these are sound effect. You can even see the logo in the start of the track. So now to add a sound, I will click on background music, CyberLink, and any of them. Let's hear first. This one sounds good, but it is not appropriate. Let's move to the next one. If slow would be good. Let me see it. Yeah, it sounds really good for an outro. So let's download it. As you can see it is downloaded. If it is your favorite, you can click on this heart button, then it will come in your favorites list. So drag it over here to here, and this would be important. You can see it is really long and this video is really short. So to do that, just drag it short, and now you can see it is better. And as you can see, after I completed this, right, it took me a lot of time, and I even stopped the video over here. So
Slowly outro.
yes, now I will just cut it over here, click here, delete, and fill gap. So this was just for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So Let's roll the outro.